Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about the basics of a book proposal. A book proposal is a tightly formatted document of 20 to 40 plus pages that is presented to a publisher and agent for them to consider to whether to publish the book or to represent the author. The proposal summarizes the project and gives the necessary information for them to make an informed decisions. Most book proposals follow a relatively rigid format of what to include. Your proposal has to be persuasive to make the publisher want to take the risk based on your vision. The parts of the actual proposal are as follows. Title page includes the title of your book as well as your contact information. A proposal table of contents. List the items in the proposal with their page numbers. Overview. This is your opportunity, perhaps the only one, to sell your project. It includes a concise and enticing description of the book. You will need a hook or some way to instantly grab the reader's attention. Present your USP or unique selling proposition that tells the reader why your book is perfect for them or what separates it from the same books on the topic. Think about what need is being fulfilled by your book. About the author. This gives you an opportunity to say why you are the person to write the book. Extol your background. Talk about your accomplishments. Don't be shy. Include as much information as necessary to establish why you are the expert to write the book. Schedule. Talk about when you can deliver the completed manuscript. Be pessimistic. Under-promise and over-deliver. Resources needed. This may be optional. If you need certain assistance or funding, this allows you the opportunity to make that known. The less you request, the better off you are. However, if you cannot get the book done without these resources, the publisher will need to know this up front. Competition, an extremely important component. This section details the book someone might buy instead of yours. Give a bolded list starting with a bibliographic entry of each book and then a brief reason why yours is better or different. Use Amazon, Google, or other websites to find out about the competition. You can use customer reviews from there to bolster your analysis. Remember, everyone thinks his or her idea is unique. Here's your chance to prove it. Some best-selling books prominently proclaim on the front cover things such as over 1 million copies in print. Use competitive information like this to your advantage. The market. You will need to explain who the market is for your book. The more facts and statistics you can use, the better off you are. Professional associations and trade groups, the United States Bureau of Census, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, can be very helpful organizations in providing market data. The publisher will create a tentative brief profit and loss statement based on these facts to determine whether they wish to publish the book. Marketing and promotional plan. A publisher will want to know what activities are necessary from your point of view to sell the book. This doesn't mean they will agree with it, but it allows the publisher to gauge what you feel will make the book a success. You will also list what activities you plan on creating or participating in. It's part of the publishing industry's expectation that the author will not create a book and wash his or her hands of it. A publisher will want to know that the author may be speaking about the book, or may have a website that features the book, or will buy copies for resale to the author's contacts or customers, or the like. A strong marketing plan with significant commitments by the author can be very influential in making a potential publisher interested. Table of contents. This is your polished version of the chapters and chapter titles. Chapter outline. This gives a description of each chapter. Do not brush this off. Spend the proper time with it. This outline could be highly influential in someone deciding whether or not to publish the book. Sample chapters. You will need to submit approximately 3 chapters or 1/10 of the book. Choose those chapters that are the most representative of the book or show the material in its best light. These chapters will allow the reader to see your style. Are you coming from a folksy approach or just the fact style? It will also allow the publisher to see if you are presenting material in depth or just touching on the highlights. This is the tried and true format, although there may be some small modifications by subject area or as requested by a publisher. Don't stray too far from what works. Don't try to be quirky or out of the box. When you have your proposal written, show it to many people and get lots of feedback. Work at it and hone it so it will be as great as you can make it. You can't spend too much time on it, and before it is final, proof it twice. Good luck. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me at riverwindsconsulting.com with your questions. I just released a new edition of my book, You Can Write and Publish a Book. See the notes below for more details on how to get a copy. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the link to see my video on the 13 steps to write and publish a book. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.